Hello students, so today we are launching test series exclusively for this PWD exam. Okay, so we are launching separate tests package for AE, for JE technical and for general studies. First we are taking up with AE syllabus, so wherein whatever the syllabus is there, we are launching tests for all the subjects mentioned in the syllabus. First we are taking up with highway engineering, so wherein we are classified the chapters into the different sections. So first we are taking highway development and planning chapter. So wherein today we have already uploaded a test on this particular chapter, and after this discussion I will be discussing about how to use the portal and how the test series will be available to you. So after this we will be launching the second chapter, that is test on highway geometric design. After that traffic engineering, next pavement design, next highway construction, next highway maintenance, drainage and economy. So all these, that is 6 tests will be provided for you in highway engineering only. Okay, next we are taking up with the hydrology subject, wherein we are launching 2 tests for this hydrology subject. Next we are taking up with the strength of materials, wherein we are launching 7 tests exclusively for this strength of materials subject only. So this comes under the first part of advanced structures. So in which way we have classified the chapters here. First we are giving test for simple stress and strain, next SFD and BMD, next bending and shear stress, next principal stress and theory of failure, next we are taking up with the torsion, next pressure vessels and columns, next deflection. So these are all the different chapters which we are including in the test, and we are giving it chapter wise. And now coming to how many questions we are adding in every test, that depends on how that chapter is. That is how big that chapter is and how that chapter is important exam point of view. Now highway planning and development, only 31 questions are there, because 1 or 2 questions you can expect from this chapter. But when it comes to highway geometric design, more questions will be there. So ultimately we are not behind about number of questions, we are behind with the quality questions which we can get from that particular chapter. So after this we will be launching for structural analysis, so wherein we have classified as 4 different chapters in this. First one is determinacy and indeterminacy, second one is trusses and influence line diagram, third one is methods of structural analysis, fourth one is suspended cables and arches. So this is about structural engineering. After that bridges, we are launching 1 or 2 tests for bridges and 1 test for construction technology and management. And coming to environmental engineering, that is water supply, we are launching 4 tests for that. First one is water demand and sources of water, second one is water quality parameters, third one is water treatment, fourth one is pumping and distribution system as well as intake structure. So all these 3 topics are considered in 4th chapter. Now coming to sanitary engineering, there are 5 different chapters which we are considering here. First one is a design of sewer, separate test for this. Next is house drainage and sewer line. Next is sewage quality parameters. Next is sewage treatment. Next is elements of public health engineering. So all together, if I say in assistant engineer, that is for AE technical, around 26 chapter wise tests will be given to you, and at the end we are giving you mixed full length test also. Okay, full length mock test also we are providing, which contains all the chapters or all the subjects. Okay, this is about AE technical. Coming to general studies, so whatever the subjects are there like physics, chemistry, biology, history, geography, polity, economics, general science, that is general knowledge, and current affairs, aptitude. So a separate test will be given for you for all the different subjects. So this is about general studies. Now coming to JE technical paper pattern. So as you know, many subjects are there and some subjects are common, like strength of materials, whatever is given here, there also it is provided. Same way with highway engineering. But coming to building materials, it is different here. So a separate test will be given to you considering the important building materials, separate for cement, separate for concrete, stones, aggregate, brick, timber, like that. So building material wise we are giving separate test. Same way with surveying. So chain surveying separate test, theodolite, leveling, then tachyometric, then curves, then modern surveying instruments. So you are having separate tests for this. Same way for geotech, estimation, RCC, steel and concrete technology. So this is the pattern in which we are launching the test series, and all the subjects will not be available at a time. We are launching the tests on daily basis, chapter wise. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share. Now this test series is a paid course. So here for technical AE it is 1000 rupees, and for technical JE it is 1000 rupees, and for general studies it is 500 rupees. So we have kept very reasonable pricing for this tests. But for the students who have already registered for our online course, these tests are free of cost. But the students who just want to avail the facility of this test series, then you have to pay for technical 1000 rupees and for general studies 500 rupees. So now I will be explaining you the portal, how you can access the test series. Hello students, so now I will be giving you the information of our website and how to purchase this package. So you need to go for onstream.sandpoint.co.in. So here you need to log in, and for the students who have already joined, so it is free as I told you earlier. For the rest of the students, you just need to click on this courses. So here you can purchase even the video lectures, or if you just want to purchase this test series, you can click here. So here if you click now, as you haven't purchased, you will get the button as buy now. And how to purchase this? You just click on the I button, which is visible to you now because I have already made a video on procedure on how to purchase the video lectures. So same way you are doing here, but the fee is 5000. Now as I have already having the login credentials, so here I will straight away use the login credentials and I will open this. So now as I was telling you earlier, highway development and planning. So this test is already available to you, and all the statistics is visible here. Unattempted tests, how many are there? One test are there, because only one test we have uploaded. You haven't started any test, neither you haven't completed any tests. So each and every statistic is visible to you. So we have uploaded test on this date, this timing, and the total marks are 62 and the timing is 45. And how many questions will be there? 31 questions, because the test in PWD you are having 2 mark question as 2 mark per question. So now you will be taking test. Click on this. So okay. Now you are directed to the new window. So click on next here. Then just click on this declaration. Then ready to begin. Okay. So now this is how this first test is. Actually the test is already visible to you. Okay. So the first question is like, what was the recommended cross slope in the macadam construction of the road? So you can see here it is of 2 mark. Negative marking is 0.5. Timer is already moving. Calculator is also visible here. If you want, you can use here. So this is the palette which is being followed. And if you want to see entire question paper, still that feature is visible. See here, entire question. Entire question paper is visible. So you can click. And as this first chapter is very simple, you are having one-liner questions only of theory kind. Okay. Fast and difficulty though. Now I'll click on some option, then I'll save and go for next. Again I'll click on some option, save and go for next. Click, save and go for next. Click, save and go for next. And even you can mark for review here, because if you want to go back again, you can check here. Say again, go next. Something. I'm just clicking the options randomly. Okay. So this is how you can take the test, and you can submit here before the timing, before the set timing, or if you take more time, automatically the test will be submitted. Okay, and again you can go here randomly and you can click the answers. Okay, now I am submitting this test. So you can see this analysis. Number of questions are 31 and I have answered 11 questions. I haven't answered 20, and mark for review I have done 1 and not visited 15. So you can either continue test, that is if you click on this, then you will go back to the test. So you can continue this test, or else you can submit it. So now if I click on the submit button, this is what the analysis I will get here. Okay, so these are the erroneous answers and this is the correct answer here. So and these are the questions which I haven't answered. So as I am the only one who have given the test, so my rank is 1, even though I have got the negative marking. So now when you give the test, whoever the students have joined our portal, our test video lectures for PWD, So all of you will be given the test, and automatically this will make you an analysis of what is your position in this. Okay, so now all the detail analysis you can see here, wrong, right, everything. You can spend some time during the first test so that you can fine tune yourself. Okay, now solutions are also visible. If you click on this, solution will be visible, because if they are just theory questions, we are not giving any solutions. But if the question is of numerical, then if you click on this, then solution will be visible, so that you can cross check and you can see here correct answer is C, but I had clicked as B. So all the details. So again, statistics you are getting per question, how much time you have spent for every question and all. So each and every analysis is given to you per question, so that you can fine tune. And this is the reason we launch a test series at the end. Because if you keep giving the test in the middle only, then you will not be able to realize the importance of these tests. Now when you give, now you can easily check yourself, like what is the wrong, what is the reason for the wrong answer, and whether you are not able to recollect the formula, or whether you haven't understood the concept, or if you have done any calculation mistake. Analyze yourself and then go for the next test. This is what we keep suggesting for the students who have joined here. Okay, so automatically key answers are also visible, so you can cross check what you have got. And top rankers automatically, like whoever have given the test, so you will get to know the position of yourself. So this is how the test series are accessible to you, and we are giving test series till December 31st. So the test series will be available to you till December 31st. After that, this test will be closed. So now, as and when the new test will be, now this test will be in the form of like view result. So you can view the results straight away now. As and when we keep uploading the next test, they will be available one after the other. Same way we follow it for general studies as well as for AE and JE both. So if you have any doubts in this, you can ask us anytime again. And if you still want to join the video lectures, you can try joining again now. Okay. All the best.